In today's video, we are going to show you how to move your files from Dropbox to pCloud the easy way using your computer. Now, this method is super simple, fast, and it works for both Windows and Mac. Let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is log in on both of your account here in pCloud and on Dropbox. Now, on Dropbox, all I have to do is go to the folder that you want to transfer. For example, I have a specific folder that contains all these files. Now, all I have to do is click the three dots icon here that says More. And I want you to click the download and select the folder that you wanted to save this file or folder. It's up to you, okay? Once you've done that, all right, go to your pCloud file manager. Now here, you have two options. You can simply create a new folder, rename it, click the create button, and once the folder has been created right here, you can simply drag and drop all of the files from the downloaded here in Dropbox. It's super simple. So I'm going to do that right now, which is the zip file. Okay, once it's successful, as you can see, you have successfully moved the files from Dropbox to pCloud. That's one way. Another option is go again to the Add button on the top corner, click the drop-down menu, and select a folder. As you can see, all I have to do is select the folder that you wanted to move from Dropbox to pCloud and click the Upload button. All right, and click the Upload. And once you've done that, basically that's it for today's video on how to move files from Dropbox to pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.